friend Dana pop off. She's going to do another recipe. You need to watch the other two before this one. This will be the number 3, and we'll be doing more later on. But watch, and what are we fixing today?
We are doing what I call instant guacamole because it couldn't be any easier. And I'm wearing my Mexican scarf for the occasion.
Beautiful.
So this is basically just avocado, and then you squeeze on a little lime because they, like apples, tend to oxidize a little bit after a few minutes. So you put on the lime juice just to keep them green. And then you just mix it with some of this Tomatillo Salsa. This is Rick Bayless's Tomatillo Salsa recipe. Frontera Grill is his restaurant in Chicago. Wow. Rick is a lovely man. I've worked with him before. And this has all of the ingredients that I would normally roast myself to put into a guacamole if I was going to roast it, if I was going to make it from scratch myself. And I do make it from scratch, but sometimes you just want guacamole really fast.
Exactly.
So this is about as instant as you can get for guacamole.
I love it instant and fast. So we'll be right back.
I just want
go ahead.
Before we go away, I just want to talk about avocados for a moment. This is a Haas avocado, and there's another variety that I believe are Florida avocados that are usually a little bigger and they're brighter green with a smoother skin. But I like the Haas avocados best for this.
They're my favorite too.
And if the darker they are, the more ripe they are. So if you can see these Haas avocados sometimes, and they're a little bit lighter green, and they're hard. So they generally you need to let them ripen a little bit more and get a little darker before you open them up. And one thing you should know is, once they get a little soft, you can put them in the refrigerator and they stay ripe and really good, bright green for a couple weeks.
I know that. You know what? I didn't even know that because she mentioned that earlier, and because I always, when it gets ripe, I say, "Oh no, we got to use it now. We can't wait." But she says we can put them in the refrigerator, so that's what we're gonna do. Up to 2 weeks, you think?
I think, yeah. I mean, it depends on how ripe they are,
Right.
of course, when you put them in there. But they really stay fresher a lot longer in the refrigerator. And a lot of people think they're just a shelf-stable thing that you could just leave out on your counter, and you really can't, because once they start to ripen, they go really fast.
Yeah, but do they ripen in the refrigerator or just stay sort of like what they are? If you
they will continue to ripen, but at a much slower pace.
Oh, okay.
So that's why that you can keep them fresh a lot longer in there.
Very good. Okay,
So,
we'll be right back and show the recipe. Okay, we're back.
So I've got one avocado already cut up and scooped into the bowl. I've taken the other one, just cut it in half and taken the pit out of it. And we're just going to scoop this into the bowl with the other avocado. Just regular tablespoon is all you need to scoop this out, the avocado meat into the bowl.
I don't think any people really knows how easy it is to come out when they're ripe. That you can just do them with a spoon. A lot of people want to do it with a knife.
Exactly. So I'm going to mash these up with a potato masher. Just get them soft and creamy.
I even like it like that. On toast.
You can make avocado toast with it
Yeah.
like this. So I'm going to add some fresh lime, which I've already cut up over here, but I just wanted to show you, to really get the most juice out of your lime, you can roll it on the counter like this, and it just loosens up the juice inside the lime. So we're going to take this juicer. This is one of my favorite tools in the kitchen. It gets the most juice out of your
Those are
citrus.
so nice. I need to get me a newer one. Mine is so bad.
Okay.
I love them.
So we're going to juice, that was 2 avocados. We're going to juice 1 lime. And you don't want to, I mean, again, I might not even juice the entire lime because they were small avocados and I don't want it to get too mushy, because you also, you know what, now that I'm done with this peeler, I'm going to go back to my spoon.
Do you want me to give you a fork or something? You okay?
We're good.
Okay.
So you don't want it to get too soft or too runny with the lime juice, but we just want to keep it from oxidizing. So that's what the lime juice is for. And you can use lemon juice if you prefer, or if that's all you have on hand, that's fine too. And you don't need even to use fresh if you don't want to. You can use the bottled. It's not like it's a critical ingredient. It's mostly to keep it from oxidizing, like I said. I am using a 1/4 cup of this for the 2 avocados I put in there, but you don't want to put too much in too soon, because it's got a little heat to it, and you don't want, you can always add more of the heat, but unless you've got more avocados, you can't cut it back and make it make it less spicy.
Exactly.
So this is pretty much our guacamole.
Wow.
And
That is easy.
you want to try it, taste it with the chips that you're going to eat it with, because different chips have different salt
Right.
on them, and you know, so taste that. Just
Okay.
grab a chip and taste it.
All right. Let's see. Sort of off camera, but it's good. Oh man, that is so good.
Do you think,
Dana,
do you think it needs a little more salsa?
you tell me. I like it like this. Good. I mean, it's good. That's very good.
I think it's really good.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I'm going to add one more little spoonful,
Okay.
just because
I understand.
I think I could use a little more.
And show them that again.
This is the Frontera Tomatillo Salsa.
That is good. And you could add, I think you said some hot sauce if you want it.
Yeah, if you want it hotter, if you want it spicier, after you've added, you know, again, depending on, I just don't want it to get too runny.
No.
And so
And
at
that
this
would,
point,
wouldn't it?
yeah,
Yeah.
if you, this, the salsa is kind of, has a lot of liquid to it. So you don't, I think this is a great consistency.
Mm-hmm.
And now, again, you could just serve it just like this. This is your instant guacamole right there. But I happen to like adding tomato.
Mm-hmm.
And we have these little cherry tomatoes. You know, if you have some cherry tomatoes around, they add some color, they add a little extra flavor to it. And yeah, you just toss these in there.
Mm-hmm. And that gives it, that's really festive too.
Yep.
And it's good for Cinco de Mayo, right?
Yep.
Cinco
The Mayo's coming up.
Yeah.
There we go.
May 5th, right?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, that's delicious. Okay, we'll be back. We're both going to do a taste test with these tomatoes in them. Okay, we're going to do a taste test. We didn't even put it in a plate. We're so ready to eat it. It's in the bowl. It was mixed in. We've got some, what kind of chips are these?
These are just sort of traditional, these are Tostitos, I think.
Okay.
Crispy thin. They have salt on them, so I didn't put any salt in this.
Yeah.
The tomatoes add a nice little
Yeah,
extra
tomatoes.
flavor.
Y'all do the tomatoes, and if you have a chance, do that too. Also, the lemon lime or the lime chips would be good with this too. That's a very good recipe. Thank you, Dana. Appreciate it.
And thank you, Rick Bayless, for your wonderful tomatillo salsa
Thank you,
recipe.
Rick. Okay, I'm gonna put this recipe down in the description. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day, and I want to thank my friend Dana for coming and being here with me again today. Love
Have
you guys.
fun in the kitchen.
Yeah,
Go
and
play in your own kitchen.
there you go. Hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. Love you guys. Until tomorrow.